Welcome to the channel. We're on Royal Caribbean's brand new ship, Star of the Seas, deck 12, room 12276. Nice thing is it's right here by the elevators, so not too far. Coming straight in. It is an Ocean View Balcony. It is not an infinite balcony, but it is a Ocean View Balcony. So as you enter the room, I'll go ahead and show you where we're at. We're going to be towards the rear of the ship. Like I said, right here off the elevators. Once again, deck 12. And as you enter the room, you'll see your light switches here. This is going to be your bathroom light. This is going to be your main lights for the room. Also, you have a thermostat here, a digital thermostat. So you can set your temperature here. And also, nice feature here too is you have your evening, movie, and sleep and morning light setups. So if we want to do, for example, movie, it's going to dim the lights, turn the lights down. And then evening is going to turn the rest of the lights on. And morning is this. So, all right. So, and also you can, a nice feature is you can control this from your app on the phone, from the Royal Caribbean app. You have access to all these features here. So you don't have to actually get out of bed to turn the lights off or anything like that. It is available on your app. So as we walk in here, you have the bathroom. This is a lot different than the Oasis class or anything earlier than the Oasis class. Instead of having the what I call the capsule or the sliding round doors, you have a different layout. Same thing as on Icon of the Seas. You have some shelving here, and then here on the left hand side you have your vanity, some additional shelving, and then your sink, and you do have a little drawer right here and some additional shelves down here. And one of the nice features about this, like I said, the Icon and the Star both have the same setup as far as the shower, but it's a nice setup as far as your shower. You have your soap dispenser on the wall. It does have a seat in the shower, but it's a nice size shower. They do put the towels in here versus out here. You do have a couple hanging towels here, but they do put your bath towels here in the shower. But instead of having the cord to hang your bathing suits on, you have two hooks right here. So, like I said, a lot different than the previous ships as far as the bathroom. Okay, going on into the stateroom, you have some hooks right here on the left-hand side. 3 of those there, and the closets right here are. You have a hanging closet here, and then you have one closet here. It has additional hanging, and an area to place some items here too. Another feature is you have these 4 baskets here that slide out, and you put items in there, so you have a total of 4 of those here. And a lot of people don't realize the mirror here, the full-length mirror, opens up, and this is where your safe is, and you have an additional 5 shelves in here behind the mirror. So, and with the safe, there's also your Starlink. So instead of being in the hallway, the newer ships have them in each room, so you don't lose internet while you're in the room. All right, coming on into the room, you have a table here that is movable, so you can move it around the room. You have a mirror here with the light on there. And then about 5 drawers here in the desk. So you have your desktop here with a lamp on it, with additional drawers down here, and then you have your refrigerator right here. As far as outlets, they've modernized from the older ships. They have still have the European, but they also have your USBs here, and then you have your standard American outlet right here. Swing it back around, you have a full-size couch here. One of the nice items too, this being a 4-day preview cruise before the actual inaugural sailing. Inaugural sailing is on August 31st, but each day we get some free gifts or swag that they deliver to the room. So nice item is this week. The first day is you get a hat, and then you have this program here, the entertainment program. It shows a lot of the different programs. For example, the Start of the Seas has Back to the Future, the musical. Torque, which is the Aqua Show and the Aquadome. Soul, which is the ice skating show on board. Ocean Odyssey, which occurs in the Royal Promenade. And a new item here, a new feature they have on this ship is the Price is Right. They have a Jeopardy game and the Price is Right game show. So that's a new add to the ships. They have escape room on here, 2 of them. Plunge, which is the adult area in the rear of the ship. So a lot of entertainment is going to be offered on the ship. Different bars. Lou's, this is a nice jazz bar. The dueling pianos. Crown's Edge. So it's a really neat booklet here. It kind of shows you everything that's available while you're on board. So on each side of the bed you have these nightstands right here with some lamps. And nice feature too is on the newer ships here, they have additional USB plug-ins to charge your phone at night, and a push button right here to turn the light on and off. Once again, you can separate the beds or have them put together. So in this situation we have them put together. And then another nice feature too I like about the design of the stateroom is you have additional shelving right here. So a lot of shelving, and once again, more USB chargers right here. So if you want to put your phone here, charge it, whatever, you can. You have that capability. And like I said, on the other side, you do have an American plug-in here, and then you have your additional USB here, and then this is a master switch to turn the lights off and on. So when you turn those off and back on. So you do have your TV here, HDMI capabilities on the back side. And then as far as the balcony, you have a light right here. Some of the ships do not have the light, but you do have a light right here to turn the light on and off. I'll turn it on so you can see it when we get outside on the balcony. And the balcony, you have 2 chairs with footstools and 1 table here. In the port canaveral. So getting ready to set sail here in a little bit. And really that's the tour of the Ocean View Balcony Staterooms. So I invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. If you like what you saw, do me a favor, hit that like button. Comment down below if you have any questions about the stateroom, and I'll try to answer them. And we will see you on the next one.